Hi, hello guys, welcome to this channel. In this video I will show you how to remove your quick access file on Windows 11. So as you can see, this is my quick access files that to be honest, all of them, not all of them still I open or I plan to open in the future, so I need to remove them all or remove most of them to make my Windows more tidy up. So how to do that? Actually, it's really simple one. You just open your Windows Explorer and then you find the file you want to remove from that quick access. Just right click and then you can see this is remove from quick access. So I just remove that, it will be gone. And then on the files also you can done by drag your files and then right click and then you can click this remove from quick access. It will be removed, but it still recommend another file you want to open in the future. So actually I don't really like it. And then you need your patience here to remove all of them. So I will do it one more time and then still recommend another files and so on and so on. Okay, that's it, this tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it's please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.